Eva nkusabira Esaala ennungi ennyo ey'omukisa mwana wange mu kiseera kino ky'otuuseemu neeyongera ddala okukusaba Mukama akugulirewo emikisa gyonna n'ebisigadde byonna tubisabira mu linnya lya Yesu. Amen.
You bring the life back into my world every morning. You soothe me like the rain on a sunny day. Watching you smile lets me know my lonely days are over. Eternity of calling you my girl. And I'm sure my love for you can go till infinity. You're my joy, giver, my remedy. Baby, I'm yours, heart, soul, body.
I'm so excited that we are here. We've been praying for this. You've been my partner for life. Thank you for loving me the way I want to be loved. And thank you for being my partner. And I can't wait to do the rest of my life with you. Love you.
Oh no, yeah, even so wanna go back Yanku banze mwatu si baliba. Oh no, yeah, even so wanna go nganza. Mamwenya ati mwatu nenzi gwama. Oh no, yeah, even so wanna yantwara. Maneba kayi mwana gwendota. Oh no, yeah, even ilibuna mkwande.
Evelyn, my dearest bestie, my padlock, I've prayed for this day. I wish you the best. I've been married for 20 years and definitely my prayer is that you tap into the blessing and you'll cook for many more years. Love you.
Can't you see it's written on my face? Hidden in my words, can't you feel it in my presence? Hey, and baby, dance with me. I wanna show you off to the world and let them know. Oh no, yeah, even so wanna bring my camera. Yanku banze mwatu si baliba. Oh no, yeah, even so wanna bring nasa. Mamwenya ati mwatu nenzi gwama. Oh no, yeah, even so wanna yantwala. Weneba kaya mwana gwendota. Oh no, yeah, even inibula mkwande. Chali genda, nange chendi genda. Oh no, yeah,